is 45 and 45. Oh, so have they told us to take the value? So we can use this 40. So this is 5 nines, and then 5 sevens, and then 2s are 9, 8s are 2 fours, and then 2 11. Okay, so then we have to find out this is how much? This is 45 square is how much? Okay, 11 fives are 55, 11 fours are 44 plus 5, so 49, and then 45 divided by 20. So how much is this thing? So this is, yeah, we can save time by using the calculator. So, and then, so this is 2275 divided by 28. So we can stop it at here. Or if we divide it by 28, so we'll get 795.53 centimeters. So this is the answer. Quickly note it down and then we'll do the next question. Quickly note it down. Whenever you have noted it down, please tell
Yeah, noted.
questions. Right. So a car has two wipers, right? So how the wipers are placed, right? So let's say you have this screen or the window of the car, right? So the wipers are placed like this. This is the wiper 1, and then this is the wiper 2, right? And then they rotate it like this. So this wiper rotate it like this, and then comes down. And then again, this wiper rotates and then comes down. So this is the area made by those two wipers, and those have same length. So the area would be same. So what is the shape of this thing? What is the shape of this thing? The area swept by
A
one
sector.
wiper sector, right? So we know that the length of the blade is 25 and the angle is 115. So we can calculate the area of 1. So
The
area of,
area of a quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. So if it's in the shape of a quadrant, how does it look then?
so they are not saying a quadrant, right? They are saying that it
They
is
are not. No, but I'm asking, how does like a quadrant look if it's
quadrant.
in
So quadrant would be 90-degree angle, right? Quadrant would be 90-degree angle. So this is not 90, this is more than 90, right? So this is more than 90. 91 would be like this. Both are making 90-degree angle. So this is the quadrant, right? This is not quadrant because angle is not 90. This is greater than 90. This is 150, right? Yeah, so
yeah.
this angle is 1 1. So area of one sweep, right? What one blade? That would be how much? Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is 115 by 360 into pi r square. So total area would be how much? Total area would be 2 into area of 1. This would be 2 into 115 by 360, and then this is how much? 5, which is 22 by 7. R is 25 and 25. So how much is this? This is 5 twos are, 5 threes are, and then this is
They're
5.
saying that the length,
Yes,
yeah, so it's 25, right? So that is also the radius.
yeah. So length. This is the length that it is sweeping, right? The same length it is being swept. So this is the length, right? And this
So
length,
that is the radius.
yeah, that is the correct. So this is how much? 2 and then 36, and then this.
If we use 3.14 as the pi, can you like solve it using that?
Okay, yeah. So let us use that. Okay, so this is 2 and then 115 by 360, 3.14 and 25 and 25. So how much is this thing, right? So this is 5 twos are and then 3s are. And then this is how much? 5 7 and then 2s are. And then this is 36, right? So this is how much? This is 625 and then 3.14 and then 23 divided by 36. Okay, this is a very big value, so let me use calculator. This is 625 into 3.14 into 23, so that is 45137.5 divided by 36, divided by 36, that is 1253.8 centimeters square. So that is the area, total area swept by those sweepers, right? Those
In
blades.
the exam, will they like say to use pi as 3.14 itself?
Yeah, so whenever they have not mentioned the value of pi, you always use 22 by 7. When they particularly say that you have to use the value of pi, then use that value of pi which they have given. Otherwise, you always use 22 by 7. Okay, yeah, quickly note it down. We note it down and then, yeah, whenever you have noted it down,
Finished.
finish. Okay, so now let us
You multiplied it with 2. Is it because there are two of those vipers? That's right.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That is why we have multiplied, right? Because one wiper, they have same length and they are making the same angle. So these are, let's say if we calculate one, then the total would be this plus this. So that is 2 times, right? That is why I have multiplied it by 2. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Then what is the, so the next question, 12th one, what is the 12th question? quant ships from for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spread a red-colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships. Now you see that they have given use pi equal to 3.1. Right. So now we have to use the value of pi. So we have this whatever what is this? Yeah. So this is the lighthouse, right? And it is making some angle. This is the area in which this is spread, right? So what kind of shape is this?
The sector.
Right. So this is a sector, and the angle they have also given. The angle is 80 degree, and they have also given that how much length that it covers. This is 16.5. And kilometer, oh, this much distance the light is going, 16 kilometer. Right, so that is quite a huge distance. That is why they are using a red colored light, because red colored light that can go to far away distance, right? Yeah. Then we have to calculate the area of this sector, right? So area is theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 80, 360, 3.14. R is 16.5. Right. So this zero cancels. This is 4. And this is how much? 18. And then this is 2. This is 9. So how much is this? So this is 3 then this is 5 and then 5. And then this is 5 and then 5. What is the value that we'll get? So this is 5 and 55. So 5 twos are 10 and 5 twos are 11. 5 twos are 10 and then 1 11. So this is 11 into 3.14 into 5.5. So how much is this thing? So yeah, you have to use your calculation in the exam, but yeah, now to save time, we can use calculate. One,
Once again, you cancel 9 with 3, right? How did you do that? Because
yeah, 9
we
with what?
cancel 3. You cancel 9 with 3, right?
Yeah, so 3 threes are 9, right?
Yeah, but we can't do that, right? Because if we then we have to cancel 2 also.
Yeah, we have cancelled this one. So from we have cancelled this with 3, we have cancelled this with 3. Right? 3 threes are 9, and then this cancelled by 3, right? Yes, so 11 and 3.1, then 5.5, 189.97 and kilometers square. So that is the quickly note it down, and then we will, yeah, please. Give me one moment.
I have a doubt. One second.
Yes, yes. What is the doubt? Yes,
Yeah, you cancelled a 3 by 5.5, so 16.5 is cancelled, but there is another 16.5, so you can't cancel that again
yeah.
with 3. So
So
how did
yeah, so we have this 9, right? We have this 9 and we have this 16.5. So I cancel 9 by 3. 3 threes are 9. And then I
Yeah.
cancel this 5.5. So now you have 3 again. So I cancel this 3 with this 16.5. Okay. Yes. Is it clear?
No, but you cancelled. You got 9, right? So three threes are 9. So you cancel the 9, and then you get 3. Then you again cancel 5.5. So you have like already you cancelled the 1 3 which was remaining. So how did you cancel the second 16.5?
Yes. Yeah. So what do I have? 80 by 360 and then 3.14 and 16.5. 16.5. So I cancel this 0 and then with 2 I cancel 2 fours are 8 and 18. And then I cancel this with 2 twos are 4 and 2 9. Right? And then I cancel
Yeah.
this with 3. 3 threes are 9. And I cancel this 3 with 5.5. So now this 3 is remaining. I cancel this 3 with this. That is what I did. Yes, clear.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. You multiply 2 into 3.14, right?
Yeah, so 2
That is
into
6.28, right?
so 2 multiplied by 5.5
Oh, I
multiplied.
multiplied 2 with 3.14 and then I got 6.2, right?
Yeah, so 6
Can I do
point.
that?
Yeah, of course, why not? So 6.28 and then 5.5 and 5.5. How much is that? So this would be 6.28 into 5.5 into 5.5. So again, you will get the same answer, 189.9. Okay,
Yeah, finished.
finished. Okay, then let us. Okay, so the 12th question. For 12th question, we have done already. So the 13th one. So we have this design to run a round table cover has 6 equal designs. So as shown in figure 11.1. So these are the designs. This one, this one, this one, this one. Right? These are the 6 designs. And let's say, what is the design? What is the design? Let's say one design. What is the shape of one design? Yes.
It's a sector.
This is a segment, right? Not a sector, right?
No, but you include all. No, like, see, you drew a line, right? So if you.
Yeah, so I'm talking about this one, design. I'm talking about design,
That one is a segment.
segment, right? This one is a segment. Design is a segment. So we have to find out. the area of the segment, and total design is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 segment. So we have to find out total design. So we have to first find out the segment. So segment would be what? What is the area of the segment? What is the area of the segment?
Area of a segment is the area of the minor segment minus with the area of the circle.
Yeah, so circle. Okay, you look at this diagram, right? You look at this diagram. This is the whole diagram. This is your design, right? So what is this shape? What is this shape?
Um, that whole thing is a sector.
Yeah, so that whole thing is a sector. And what part you remove that you get the design.
It's a triangle.
So sector minus triangle. That is your segment, right?
Major segment is sector minus circle.
Yeah, major segment is sector plus triangle. Right. Major segment
Your
is
voice is
sector
breaking.
plus my internet is breaking. My voice is breaking. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, what did you say? Major sector is equal.
Yeah. So what is the you are asking me what is the major segment? Let's say this one. And, so let's say this is your major sector is what? This is your major sector, right? And you want to calculate this whole segment. You want to find out this segment, right? So to calculate the segment, major segment, you have to add. So you have to add major sector plus triangle. Right? You have this major sector,
But
and
in one
then
of
you
the
add
videos
this
I saw it was major sector minus with the circle.
major sector. Yeah, in one of the what? In one of the
One of the videos I saw that like in this exercise I saw the major sector minus with the
I
circle
have
is
I have said that. Yeah,
no, no,
I
no.
said.
One of
Oh,
the videos.
oh, one of the videos. No, no. So don't believe those videos. You just believe in yourself, right? So what you see in this figure, you have this one is the major sector, right? This one thing is the major sector. This one thing is the major sector, right? And you
Yeah.
want to find out this purple region. So this is the triangle. So if, what part? Calculate this, you have to remove this triangle or add this triangle to the major sector. If you want to calculate the purple one, so what you should do? So this major sector is there, and you should add this one so that you get the full thing, or should you remove this thing? What should you do?
We will add it up.
Add it, right? So if you add it, so this will become a full picture. Then it would become the whole.
But sometimes it depends on the question also they ask. What if we have to remove that part?
So if let's say if the major segment is given, right? If the major segment is given, and then they want you to calculate the major sector, then you calculate. So major sector would be what? Major sector would be segment minus triangle. So that would be that. If you want to calculate, so you are given this whole thing, right? Whole thing you know, and you want to calculate this part only, this major sector. Then you have to remove this triangle from this segment. Is it clear?
Yes, okay. So minor segment is sector minus triangle and major is segment minus triangle.
Yeah, minus what? Major
I'm
triangle.
saying minor segment is sector minus with triangle and major segment is the minor sector minor segment minus triangle.
No, you don't minus. In major segment, you have to add the triangle.
Because you wrote here minus.
I have written, so you wanted to know that when do we remove this triangle. So I have said that you want to calculate the major sector. If you want to calculate this major sector, this part, then you remove it from the segment, right? So from segment, if you remove the triangle, then you will get this sector, right? So you will get this sector.
Is it fine if you write it like what major sector is equal to major segment is?
The minor one you are clear, right? So that is sector minus triangle. This is clear,
Yeah.
right? Now let us talk about this major ones. We have, let's say if I draw this thing. So you tell me what is this thing? What is this? What is this thing? This. You have removed this part. What is this thing?
It's a sector.
Major sector, right? So this is a
Yeah.
major sector. Now, if you add this triangle to it, right? So you have add this triangle to it. So what this figure becomes? What this figure becomes? This is the triangle. You have added this triangle. So what this whole figure becomes? What is this whole figure? Yeah, let me draw this part. This is this part is what?
That is segment.
Minus segment. So the remaining one is what?
The major segment.
Major segment. So major segment is what? Major sector and then triangle part is added or removed?
Added.
Added, right? So then major segment is a major sector plus triangle. That is what I was telling, right? And if you want to calculate major sector from it, then you remove this triangle from major sector. That is what I was telling. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, so now what was the question that right, sector minus triangle. So we have to find out sector minus triangle. So to calculate this sector, we have to find out this angle. Right, this angle we have to find out. So how can we calculate? So we know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know 6x is 360. So x would be how much? 360 by x, 6. So that is 30. So this is how much? 60 degree. So this theta is 60 degree. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. So now we have to find out the sector part. So area of sector. That would be how much? That would be theta by 360 and pi r square. And also we have to also find out the area of triangle. Area of triangle is what? Half.
Into base into height.
No, base we don't know the height. Height we don't. So we only know that AB or R into sine 60. This is the thing that we know. So if you put these values in, let's say, equation 1,
Suppose if the
so
triangle is a equilateral triangle, so we put the equilateral triangle formula.
oh yeah, so that we can do. Okay, so yeah, okay, the angle is 60 degree, so that would be an equilateral triangle. Yeah, so that we can also use. Because the angle is 60 degrees, so we can write that equilateral triangle area is 3 by 4 a square or r square, right? So by putting these values, what would be the value that we will be getting? So sector or segment is sector minus triangle. So if we put this value, theta we have got 60 by 360 and pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square. So this cancels, right? And then we can take out r square common. So r square common, this is pi by 6, and then this is root 3 by 4. So we have to find out, yeah, they have said that use pi equal to, use root 3 equal to, right? Use root 3 equal to 1.7. So use 3 equal to 1.7. So how much is this thing, right? So this is R. This is 22 by 7, or we can use 3.14 as well. So 3.14 by 6, 1.7 by how much is this thing? R value is, what was the R value? R was uh, R was 28 centimeters. So R was 28. So we could have. So let us 28 into 28. This is how much? 3.14. So this is 0.5. And then this is how much? So 40. So 2. And then 3 minus. This is how much? 0.4. And then
Can we
this
cross
is,
multiply?
yes,
Can we cross multiply 3.1 by 6 minus 1?
this is minus, right? This is not A by B equal to C by D. This is not the equal sign. We cannot cross multiply, right? This is minus. We have to subtract. Cross
But if it
multiplication.
was plus, then
So plus, then we have to add it, right? Then this would be plus. Or are you telling me to take the LCM and then solve it? That we can also do.
yeah, you can do.
Yeah, so that way we can also do, but yeah, whatever way we find easy, that we can, right? So 4 fours are 16, and then we have 1 and 10. So 4 twos are 8, and this. So 28 into 28, and then this is how much? 8, and this is 11 to 9, and then this is 0. So 0.098. So that is the area, right? Now they are also telling us to calculate. They are also telling us to calculate cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter. Okay, so first we have to find out the total area. We have found one segment, so total design is how much? Total design is 6 into 28 into 28 into 0.098. Right, so this would be whatever this value is. So the total cost, so this is this centimeter square. So total cost would be how much? Total cost would be cost of 1 centimeter square rate into the total area. So that would be how much? That is, rate is how much they have said. Rate is 0.35. 0.35 and then 6 into 28 into 28 into 0.09. Okay, how much is this value? So multiplication would be tough, but we can calculate 0.35 into 6 into 28 into 28 into 0.09. So that is 161.347 rupees. So that is the total. Is it clear? Is it clear to you, Rifa?
Yes, yes.
Then please do it down. So what did we do? We calculate the area of the total design, right? And then we just multiplied it with the per centimeter square cost. That is what. Please note it down, and whenever you want me to scroll down the screen, please tell me. And let me check the answer as well, right? So NCRT answer, and if it is correct, so this is chapter 11. So in the NCRT, they're getting 162.68, so that is also correct. So 161, 162, both are correct. Yeah, whenever you want me to scroll down, please that. Yeah, whenever you have noted, you want me to scroll down, please tell.
Can you scroll? In this question, you did not put the value of pi in.
Yeah, so we can use any value of pi. We can whether use we
No,
can
you
use
didn't use any value.
pi 3.1 for VF, right? Pi
Uh,
equal to.
Will they give in the question that root 3 is equal to 1.73?
Yeah, yeah, of course. If yeah, so if they don't give, then you have to remember it. Otherwise, yeah, then they can give, right? What value you have to choose, they can give.
Finished.
Finished. Okay, so the last question, let us do this last question and then completed, right? So let's do that. Okay, we don't need this part, so, but let us do this. Pick the correct answer in the following. Area of a sector of angle P of a circle with radius R. So angle is P, theta is P, and radius is R. So what would be the area of a sector?
Theta by 360 into pi r.
Right. So theta by 360 and pi r square. Theta is P by 360 and pi r square. So which one is matching?
Um, the
This one cannot
B,
be the answer. This cannot be the
B,
answer. Right? B has P by 180 into pi r square. So this cannot be the answer. This is P by 70 to pi r square. So if we cancel this thing, this is 360. So D is the correct. Right? If we multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2, so this would be P pi r square divided by 720. Option clear.
yeah.
Okay, so we'll stop at here and yeah, all the best for your preparations. And whenever you have any doubts, please just tell me, right? And yeah.
Yeah, is it possible if you can send some previous year questions?
Okay, yeah. So